I'm Eileen.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Emma.
And today we're making pita pockets.
In the kitchen, you always have to remember to stay safe when using knives because they can be very sharp.
And you could cut yourself. And remember to wash your hands before you start so that you don't get germs on the food.
For this recipe, you will need chicken, cucumber, tomato, onion, salt, pepper, olive oil, feta cheese, and pitas. Today, you will be making chicken pita pockets. Start by chopping 3 small tomatoes and putting them off to the side. Did you know that tomatoes are actually fruit? Then, cut up a small cucumber and put it off to the side. It's crazy that cucumbers can grow up to 2 feet long. Next, chop a small bit of cilantro and put it off to the side. Finally, carefully cut your onion. You will only need half. You also must remove the skin before you eat it because it is not edible. Cut it like Emma did in the picture. We are only using red onion, but you can use any type you would like. This is pre-cooked chicken from Trader Joe's that we heated up in the microwave, but you can use any other chicken you want, for example chicken breast that you cook yourself in an oven. However, be sure to have an adult present when using it because it is dangerous and you could burn yourself. You can also use any protein for this dish, such as beef or even a vegetarian option like beans or chickpeas. Take a slice of feta cheese and cut it into small cubes. If you would prefer another type of cheese, then go ahead. Mozzarella is an awesome alternative. Next, make the dressing. Pour around 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a bowl and then add salt and pepper to taste. Begin by cutting the pita in half. Then, start spreading the hummus on the inside. Next, begin filling the pita with the chicken, tomato, cucumber, cilantro, and onion. Then, pour the cheese over the top to garnish it and add the dressing. Enjoy! Now it's time to eat. Enjoy your delicious and healthy meal. Please like and subscribe to support us and make sure to comment any recipes you would like to learn to cook next.